We discuss how to create a symbol of up and left box drawing. So I have in my Windows computer I opened the Microsoft Word, so you can try this after opening your Microsoft Word for creating this symbol as up and left box drawing symbol. So you must simply turn on your number lock. If you press this number lock key, now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. The next step is that you can see an alt key on the left side of your keyboard, so you must simply press this alt key. Do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you can simply type here 217. So after typing this you can simply release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see, so we have created this symbol, that's up and left box drawing symbol. So this is the symbol we have created, up and left box drawing symbol we have created in our computer keyboard. Hope this video is very helpful. For more videos like this you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.